Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming compatibility and opening the camera. Don't stall on settings. Once done, switch to the front-facing camera and tap the effects or Memoji icon to reveal avatars. You should see your existing Memojis or create a new one. Choose a Memoji that matches your intended expression and lighting. Make small facial adjustments so the avatar tracks accurately. This immediate action gets your recording ready quickly because precise face positioning improves tracking and reduces. Now you record the performance while the Memoji mirrors your face. You press record and speak clearly, exaggerating mouth shapes slightly so the avatar captures speech timing. Move slowly and avoid sudden head turns to maintain tracking. Once a take ends, review playback and note any drift or lag. If tracking slips, adjust your distance by 1 to 2 feet or improve lighting. Repeat short takes rather than one long run because it's easier to edit and swap segments for a polished final video. Finish by trimming and assembling clips in Photos or iMovie. You'll cut out mistakes and align mouth sync where necessary. Once assembled, add captions, background music at low volume, and a light color correction to match scenes. Make sure to export using HEVC or H. 264 for compatibility. Choose a high bitrate if quality matters. If something goes wrong, the key troubleshooting tip is to re-record the problematic short segment rather than redoing the whole video. That saves time and preserves good takes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.